best TikTok live studio streaming settings. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to know about some of the best settings for your TikTok live studio streaming, so here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just open up your TikTok live studio and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select this gear icon at the top of your navigation bar, that is settings. So just tap on that. Once you open up your settings, just make sure you have selected this option, that is live quality, under your left section. And from over here you can basically customize it. So for your video quality, I would suggest you can just click on customize and just put it over here, which is a recommended in my laptop. So you're recommended this, or your laptop supports this, you can just go for 1080p. For now I'll simply click on 720, and you can always go for 60 fps, which is higher than, as it's recommended for me as well. So you can always change it later. And for video battle bitrate, you can just go for the highest bitrate possible. So for now simply go for 10,000 or less than that as well. And for audio bitrate, you can just go for 256, although it is recommended for 128 for my case. So if you have any graphic cards such as AMD or Nvidia, you can go for that as well. For now I'll simply go on with the Intel. And once you do all of that, make sure you have disable this option over here and enable this one, which will be automatically by default enabled. So once you do all of that, just click on run and just restart your TikTok live studio, and your settings will be successfully applied for the best streaming. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.